Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to again continue with our chapter number 5 of course book, okay? 9a. The homepage von family Dobart was passed wo ordnen the text und photos zu, okay? According to the text, we just need to arrange the photos, okay? First one, Hannas und sein Motorrad. Then zwei, Mera und ihr Sport, okay? Then third one, Lina und ihr Saxophone. Okay. Then this one, their computer ist mein Hobby. Then unsere Hund Otto und sein Ball. Okay. Then unsere Family complete. Okay. Now the first picture. Okay. This one, Nummer 1. Okay, this is unsere family, yes. This one, unsere family complete, a complete family, okay. Then second one, she is playing instrument, so yeah, this one, okay. Then drei, yeah, it's an Hund dog, so unsere Hund und seine Ball, this one, yes. And for number 4, this one I think so, Mera und ihr Sport, yes. And then fifth one, it's Motorrad, yeah, Hund und sein Motorrad, this one. And then last, their computer is mein Hobby, this one, yes. Okay, next question. Aufgabe B. Das nächste Buch. Ergänzen Sie die Nachrichten. Yeah, we need to complete the Nachrichten. Okay. Again, this one is the possessive article exercise. Okay. For example, first one. Hallo Florian, deine homepage is spitze. Yeah, deine. Why here it is deine? Because this is feminine. Yeah, feminine. That's why deine. Okay. Now next one, unsere dash Hund Auto is total cool. Now you know the article of Hund. Hund is masculine, yes. So it can be dein, means your. Okay, your dog Auto is total cool. Okay. The next one, liebe Mara dash Bilder sind schon, sie gefallen mir sehr gut. Dash Bilder. Yes, dash Bilder. So it will be, answer will be deine. Okay, deine. Now next one, dash Foto beim Walking ist auch sehr nett. Yes. Again, dein. Okay, you need to see the articles of this one. Okay. Now again, hallo Mera und Hennes. Dash Kinder sind schon so groß. Yes. So here, what can be the answer? Eure. Okay. Eure Kinder sind schon so groß. Wisst ihr schon? Dash Tochter Nadine spielt jetzt auch Saxophon. Okay. Now again, Tochter is feminine. Yeah. So answer will be meine. Yes. According to the context, you need to see meine. Meine daughter. Yeah. Meine daughter, and the name, and spiel means to play. To play. Jetzt auch means now also. Yes, auch means also, and jetzt means now. Okay, like this. Sehr means very, nett means nice. Okay. Elf A. Okay. Stress. Lesen Sie die E-Mail. Markieren Sie die Modalverben. Okay, we need to mark the modal verb. Können, müssen, wollen. Unterstreichen Sie dann die andere Verben, and we need to underline the other verbs. Okay. Okay. So first of all, before, like, again, this is a grammar topic of modal verb. Okay. For example, if in a sentence, okay, if in a sentence, if you have two verbs, first is modal verb and second is main verb. Okay, you all know modal verb, this one, and main verb can be common, gehen, yeah, arbeiten, fahren. These all are main verb and these are the modal verbs. Können, müssen, wollen, this one. Okay, in my verbs grammar topic, okay, I already uploaded that video. You can see there are more modal verbs. Okay, a complete list of modal verbs, you can check it out there. Okay, okay, so my question is, like, where will be the now the situation, like where will be where we are going to place modal verb and when we are going to place main verb in a single sentence. If we have a single sentence, where we are going to put these both things. Okay, this that we are going to see now. Okay, okay, now first of all we need to mark the modal verbs in this sentence. Okay, for example, können, already they marked here, können. Okay, now can you see any other modal verb in this one? Okay, ich muss, this is again modal verb. Okay, können, okay, müssen and muss, yes, wollen, können, muss, yeah, like this. These all are the modal verbs. Okay, this one, okay, this one, okay, and they all are in the conjugated form according to the subject. All this one here. Okay, now again, we now in here they are telling us that we need to underline the other verbs. Okay, now we are going to underline the other verbs. Okay, for example, treffen, they already underlined. Now arbeiten, yes, and here muss is also there, here muss. Okay, einkaufen, okay, okay, die Kinder können auch nicht helfen. Sie müssen gerade so viel für die Schule lernen. Am Samstag muss ich auch arbeiten. Yes? Okay. Fahren, treffen and arbeiten. Okay. Now you can clearly see that if you have a sentence, okay, if you have a sentence, if first of all you are using a subject, okay, subject, for example, ich, du, wir, okay, and if you are using a modal verb in a sentence, okay, for example, wollen, können, okay, and so on. Okay, so it will be on second place. Okay, and your rest of the sentence and your main verb will be at the end of the sentence. For example, here these all other verbs will be going to become at the end of the sentence. This is the structure. Okay, when we are going to use modal verb and main verb. Again, I am telling you, modal verb on second place. Okay, okay, I will write here modal verb second place. Okay, and main verb at the end of sentence. Okay, these 2 points you need to remember. Okay, let's see in the example. Okay, see here, this again it is in a second place. Okay, and where is the main verb? Here at the end of the sentence. Yes, this is the complete one sentence here. Okay, subject on first place, modal verb on second place, and your main verb at the end of the sentence, and rest whatever you want to write in the sentence. This is the structure. Okay, and again you need to remember one thing, that your modal verb will be conjugated according to the subject. Okay, this thing I'm talking about, this one. Yes, It's conjugated where according to the subject, that's why it is en. Okay, we will see another example. Okay, for example, uh, here oder musst du am Mittwoch arbeiten. Yes, or ich muss also am Abend noch einkaufen. See here, where is the subject? On first place, on second place, your modal verb in a conjugated form muss, and at the end your main verb einkaufen. Yes, like this. This is the structure. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope now it's clear. Okay, second place, modal verb and conjugated according to subject. Okay, and at the end your main verb. Okay, like this. I hope now it's clear to you. Okay, see, you can see in this here, in this one. Okay, the Kinder, first place, second place, können auch nicht helfen. Again here at the end your main verb. You can see here also, first place, second place your modal verb, and at the end your main verb. Like this. This is the structure. Okay, okay, these are the conjugated form of your modal verb. In my verbs grammar topic I already explained you this thing. Okay, muss, mused, musen, mused, musen and all. Okay, if you are making a notes, please note down all this thing. Okay, in your notebook if you are making a notes. Okay, now this one, we need to do this one. Lesen Sie und ergänzen Sie die Modalverb in the richtige form. We need to fill the modal verbs in a right form. Okay, for example, say Liebe Mara, das klingt wirklich stressig. Wirklich means really, and stressig you all know, stress. Wir können uns gern am Mittwoch treffen. Treffen means to meet. Yes. Ich dash bis 16 Uhr arbeiten. See here, it's a in a main verb. This is a main verb and it's end of the sentence. So now at the second place blank is given, so obviously a modal verb will going to come. Okay, so ich muss, I must. Okay, aber dann dash wir uns sehen. Again see sehen at the end of the sentence. Okay, aber dann, and where is there, so we need to write können. Okay, see here, where is that, that's why I wrote here können. Okay, and here ish was there, that's why with ish we write muss. Okay, next so. Okay, now I hope now this concept is clear to you. Third one, können wir uns sehen, and first one, ich muss bis 16 Uhr arbeiten. Okay, so 17 Uhr dash du ins Kino gehen. Again see gehen at the end of the sentence, so first place, now it's a question form, so obviously a modal verb is going to come at the first position. Okay, this is a question form. Okay, that's why. Now do is there, so we will write according to the conjugation with do. So willst du ins Kino gehen, oder wir treffen uns in einem Café. Vielleicht im Café Elisa. Hannes ist nächste Woche wieder da, oder am Freitag macht Albert ein Party. Dash your common, again common, it's a question form, that's why it will be going to be first at the first place a modal verb will going to come. Okay, so and here is there, so könnt. Okay, here is there, so see with here we write könnt. Okay, where dash या Morgan telephonieren. Okay, so again wir. Now what will the answer? Wir können. With wir our conjugation will be en, so wir können, like this. Okay, in this exercise you just need to see that whenever you are going to use the modal verb and main verb, how you are going to put both the things, okay, both the verbs in a sentence. So very simple logic. On second place, your modal verb will going to come in a conjugated form according to the subject, ich, du, wir, ihr, sie, and so on. Okay, and your main verb, for example, arbeiten, fahren, treffen, gehen, kommen, sehen, will going to come at the end of the sentence. Okay, this is the concept of modal verb. Okay, now next question, 12th one. Okay, we just need to hear the telephone Gespräch, means telephone conversation. Gespräch means conversation. Okay, this one Gespräch, telephone Gespräch. Okay, okay, this transcript is already given, you just need to hear it. Okay,
Aufgabe 12.
Was machst du morgen? Hast du Zeit?
Tut mir leid. Morgen kann ich nicht, da muss ich arbeiten.
Schade. Und am Dienstag?
Das geht.
Wir können ins Kino gehen.
Gute Idee. Wann? Um 7:30?
7:30 ist super.
okay students, I already like discuss about the timings. Yes, timings lecture I already like uploaded. Yes, the grammar part. Here they have written halb acht. Again here Albert. You need to comment and give me the answer that what does this halb acht means. Okay, halb acht. Okay, if you don't know, please watch my timings video. Okay, and if you know the answer of this one, okay, please let me know in the comments. Okay, in the next video also I will going to tell that who tell me the right answers. Okay, okay, the next one is this one. Okay, there is a this one 13b b. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, again we need to see the timing. Okay, for example 10 Minuten and then problem, is there problem or no, ja oder nein. Okay,
Aufgabe 13b. 1. Spiegel.
Guten Tag, Herr Spiegel. Hier ist Sven Atan von der Praxis Dr. Schwarz.
Guten Tag.
Herr Spiegel, Sie haben einen Termin bei Dr. Schwarz um 10:45 Uhr. Es ist schon 10:50 Uhr.
Ja, ich weiß. Entschuldigen Sie. Ich bin auf dem Weg. Bin in 5 Minuten bei Ihnen.
Ja, ist gut, Herr Spiegel. Bis gleich.
Zwei.
Hallo zusammen.
Hallo.
Grüß dich.
Hallo Pia.
Servus.
Es tut mir leid. Ich bin 15 Minuten zu spät. Wartet ihr schon lange?
Kein Problem. Uns geht's gut. Zum Wohl. Auf Pia.
Zum Wohl.
Drei.
Wo ist Frau Moser?
Ich weiß nicht.
Es ist schon 8:10. Wir beginnen ohne Frau Moser. Oh, Entschuldigung, tut mir leid. Der Bus. Wir warten schon 10 Minuten, Frau Moser. Jetzt können wir endlich beginnen.
Vier.
Wo ist denn Pia? Das Essen ist schon lange fertig.
Ja, wirklich dumm. Ich habe Hunger.
Hallo Pia, komm rein.
Grüß dich, Lena. Entschuldigung, ich bin eine halbe Stunde zu spät. Es tut mir so leid.
Ist schon gut. Ich hoffe, das Essen ist noch nicht kalt.
Hallo Pia. Schön. Jetzt können wir gleich essen.
okay. Now the next one, it's this one. Okay. Termin beim Arzt. Arzt means doctor. Okay. Hören Sie die Gespräch, ordnen Sie die Antworten zu. Okay.
Aufgabe 14a.
Guten Tag, Praxis Dr. Steini, Svetlana Keller. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Guten Tag, mein Name ist Mara Dobat. Ich hätte gern einen Termin.
Können Sie am Freitag um 10:45 Uhr?
Nein, ich muss am Freitag arbeiten. Geht es auch am Montag?
Nein, leider. Am Montag ist nichts frei. Mittwoch? Geht es um 11:30 Uhr am Mittwoch?
Ja, das geht. Vielen Dank.
Also Mittwoch um 11:30 Uhr. Wie ist nochmal Ihr Name, bitte?
Mara Dobat.
Danke, Frau Dobat. Bis Mittwoch. Auf Wiederhören.
Danke, auf Wiederhören.
Okay students, like this we need to do it. Okay. Okay. In the course book, okay, we did all the important grammar, like understanding of grammar topic and lesson part. Okay. Now in the Arbeits we are going to practice all these things. Okay, all these topics. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. Okay. Like still there are many students who telling me, sir, please like upload the videos, the lectures, because they have exam and all. Okay. So I will try my best to upload like each day I should cover 2 to 3 lectures. Okay. Okay. From the next lecture we are going to start with the Arbeits book. Okay. If you still have any doubt in this grammar topics, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.